Alright, in this video I've got a full box of Topps Prime thanks to Cardsmith Breaks. I was in a Super Bowl Sunday break and it gave you a spot in Super Bowl Squares, which I ended up winning the third quarter, which was a box of Topps Prime. So we're going to open it, see what we get. So shout out to Cardsmith Breaks. If you want to break, I suggest breaking with him. So put that there. Alright. So we got 10 packs, 6 cards per packs. There's an autographed relic, autographed card in each box, and then 2 additional relics. I've done a few other boxes of these, so it's a pretty cool product. You get some stuff like this, like a gold Andrew Luck. That's nice. And you'll get a rookie typically in every pack. There are also chances for booklets, which are very few and far between. I don't think I've really seen any pulled. Here is a Dion Jordan, 30 of 50. It's like a rainbow. Parallel, let me change focus here. There we go. That's cool. Let's set that aside. And we'll put the luck with it. So. Alright. Third pack. And we got our first actual hit, Le'Veon Bell. And it is an autograph numbered to 50. Le'Veon Bell numbered to 50 autograph. That's pretty nice. There's a gold Von Miller. I don't think I've pulled a number that well. This feels a little thick. Might have a hit in here also. Let's see. Janoris Jenkins. Terrence Williams, primed rookie. Some gold Clay Matthews. And a Tavon Austin rookie. Pack number 5, halfway. CJ Spiller. Randall Cobb and quad combo. Got Tavon Austin, Cordero Patterson, Justin Hunter, and DeAndre Hopkins, numbered to 373. I'm not positive, but I think I have another one of these already. But I still like those quad combos. I think it's pretty cool. And Quentin Patton rookie card. I think I see a hit in this one. Oh. EJ Manuel, Geno Smith, dual relic. 282 of 330. And a gold numbered Stephon Taylor to 250, number 132 of 250. So all we're missing is our auto relic. Maybe it will be a book. Probably not. These packs don't look any different from each other. There's a Calvin Johnson Prime Timers. Gold Dwayne Allen. Oops. Did I put that other? I don't think I did. There we go. Don't want to make the video too long. I'm limited on my space. Antonio Gates, Sidney Rice, Decker. There's a Brandon Marshall Prime Timers. And a Stephen Taylor rookie card. Jarvis Greenhouse. Nick Foles. There's Nick Foles. Got a gold Julio Jones. And Monte Ball. And last pack. Steven Jackson, LaShawn McCoy, David Wilson, RG3, and Tyler Eifert. Level 5, 409 of 449. Don't think I have one of these yet, so that'll be going in my collection. My Bengals collection. Tyler Eifert. And last rookie was Justin Hunter. So here's the hits. We got Tyler Eifert. We got a numbered Stephen Taylor. Gold. We got a EJ Manuel Geno Smith. A quad relic. Running backs. Or wide receivers. Wide receivers. Got a rainbow Deion Jordan, numbered to 50. And an autograph of Le'Veon Bell, numbered to 50. Alright, thanks for watching.